This is fun. Okay, let's hammer these in here first. Nice. Those are kind of funny. Whoa! It shot it off so far. Hi guys, check out this Mickey Mouse Clubhouse toolbox we have. We have Goofy and Donald and Mickey, of course, and Pluto. This is gonna be so fun. Let's get everything out of there. Oh my goodness, look! Paw Patrol was hiding inside of there. Oh, those goofy little guys. There's all of our Paw Patrol. All right, now let's see what we can do with all of this stuff. Ooh, look. Ooh, and we have a screwdriver a flathead we can use, kind of screwdriver. And all of these things, we can stick these together. Ooh, we can make some cool stuff. Look at all this. Oh, and look at these wooden things we have. We have a hammer. This is fun. Okay, let's hammer these in here first. Nice. Those are kind of funny. Whoa! It shot it off so far. Look, you can stick them in here too. Cool. What about these? Ooh, those would fit in there too. This is the end. Okay. First, let's stick our blue one through here. And let's use our screwdriver to screw it in. There we go, super tight, nice. Okay, let's keep building stuff, look. Let's try connecting this into here. I wonder if there's enough room. There we go. Let's see. Can you fit it in there? Oh, we can. We need to put this on. Ooh, gotta get it on straight. There, and now let's, here we go. Yeah. Let's use our screwdriver and screw this on. There. Now let's put the red one on this side. Ooh. Nope, not very tight when you push it in either. Let's screw one of these to Mickey. Okay, where's my screwdriver? Cool. Check it out. Oops. There. Okay, now let's hook something onto the end of this one. Let's like hook the yellow. Ooh, let's hook, yeah, let's hook the red one on. There. Now let's get our screwdriver. We gotta screw the red one. There. Look how cool we're doing. Okay, now we need to do the yellow one. Let's see how long we can make it. Oh, we only have 2 more. Can we get this back out? Is that good? Does that fit in one like that? We'll do the last one with our hammer piece. Our next one will be green. There. We got started, and now you use a screwdriver to make it all tight. Look how cool these are. It's so much fun building this. And all of our Paw Patrol. We can put our Paw Patrol on top of it. Oh, we have to hurry and finish first though. There. Oop, we can't fit the yellow one. Let's put the yellow one right here. There. Okay, where's our Paw Patrol? Can we balance them on here? There we go. Where's Sky? They just have to lay on it. Look, Zuma can sit. You can't see him, look. Zuma can sit right there. We gotta lay all of our Paw Patrol on here though. There, look, all of our Paw Patrol. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, now we have to undo everything. Watch. Woo, 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 woo. There we go. And let's just start it. And let's put our green stuff away. Get our Paw Patrol out of there. Wow! Put our red stuff away. Ugh. Gotta untighten the blue one with the screwdriver. Put the blue stuff away, but look, we have to do this first. There. And then yellow with our hammer and stuff. Here's our screwdriver. Whoops. Jeez. Stuff does not want to fit in here. There. There. Haha. Now let's put our Paw Patrol in. And now let's take it somewhere else. All right, say bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Look how funny his bubble hat is. Oh, it's so funny. Hi guys, look at all of these bubbles we have. Also, look at this Chase bubble blower. We're gonna get him out and blow some bubbles at the very end. But first, we gotta fix all of these guys' heads. They've mixed up heads. See, look, Poppy is on Mickey Mouse's bubbles. Oh my goodness, and Minnie is on Spider-Man's. Okay, we're just gonna have to fix this up. All right, let's start over here and fix them all up. So let's see. This is Mickey's bubbles, but Poppy's head. So let's see. This is Mickey and Poppy's bubbles. So we just gotta switch these two heads. But first, let's blow some bubbles. Here we go. Oh my goodness, we hit Poppy right on. Okay, it's Poppy's turn. Oh my gosh, did you see that? We hit Mickey so good. Look, he still has a bubble. Pop. Okay, here we go. There, now they're on their own bubbles. Perfect. Okay, now let's do one of these guys over here. Let's see. We have Shimmer, and this is Paw Patrol, but it's pink, so that has to be Skies. And then look, we have Shimmer. This is Shine. We have Shimmer and Shine, but with blue, so this has to be Shines. So let's take their heads off. Boop. And now we gotta blow some bubbles at each other. Okay, here we go. Look how many we hit. Let's go again. Look at all those bubbles. That's hilarious. Okay. Whoop, pop, 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 pop. Let's put Shines on Shine's body. There we go. And then put Sky on Sky's body. There. Those two are all happy now. Okay, let's go back to these guys. We have Minnie with Spider-Man's body. We have Spider-Man with Minnie's bubby. See, like Minnie, blowrific bubbles. Okay, we're gonna have to blow bubbles at each other again. Let's go, Minnie! Oh, that wasn't very many. Try again. Did you see all those ones? Good job, Minnie. Now, Spidey, get her back. Oh, did you see all those ones? Oh my goodness. Okay, now we got switch bodies. There. So Spider-Man's on Spidey's body and Minnie is on Minnie's body. Super good. Okay, now we just have Chase and Shimmer to deal with. Let's get Chase's off of Shimmer and Shimmer off of Chase's. Okay, now we have to blow bubbles at each other. Here we go. We got Shimmer. Now let's get Chase. Oh my goodness, look at all those bubbles we made. Okay, let's put Chase back on Chase's body. There we go. And then let's put Shimmer on Shimmer. There, everyone has their right color and right bubbles. Okay, now let's get Chase out. Let's move all these guys way back here. There. Okay, so we have Chase here. And look, he has this little top. You're gonna pop open and we gotta fill it up with bubbles. So look, it says Fubbles. So let's open this up. Now we gotta pour it into Chase's head. Here we go. Ooh. I wonder how much bubbles he holds. Oh. Okay, let's try that. Okay. How do you think he'll squirt some bubbles out? Let's try. We're gonna push this button. Boop. Let's see if they start coming. Oh, 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 look, here they come. They're hitting them. Bubbles. They're just little tiny tiny bubbles. Look. Tiny bubbles. Tiny bubbles. Hit him, Chase. Hit them all. Get him. Get Sky. Get Chase. Get Shine. Get Shimmer. Get Mickey. And Minnie. And Spidey. And Poppy. Look at all those little bubbles. They're so cute and small. So many bubbles! Look at all of them hitting. That is so fun! Look at all those bubbles coming out, look. Woohoo! Look how many, they're everywhere. Keep going, Chase. Look at all those bubbles coming out. Oh my goodness. I wonder how long he can go. They're such cute small little bubbles. Look how many are building up on Minnie and Spider-Man. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, look how many. Look. I can pick it up. Oh, look at all those bubbles. Let's put it on Chase. He has a bubble hat. Wow, Chase, you're just never ending. Look how many bubbles you make. Okay, let's turn him off. Boop. Wow. And let's give him another hat. Look how funny his bubble hat is. Oh, it's so funny. Look at it dance. Whoop. Ah, bubbles! Bubbles! Look how many it makes. Oh my goodness, I love it. They're so cute and small. Okay, say bye to Chase and all the bubbles he made. Bye. Good job singing. Ah! Hi guys, look who we have with us today. We have some Paw Patrol and a bed of Orbeez. So I thought we should sing a little song. Let's sing a song with our Paw Patrol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little puppies jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more puppies jumping on the bed." 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little puppies jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more puppies jumping on the bed." 1, 2, 3. 3 little puppies jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more puppies jumping on the bed." 1, 2. 2 little puppies jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more puppies jumping on the bed. One little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, put those puppies right to bed. Okay, look, we have all our little puppies who were jumping on the bed. And we now have to put them to bed in our Orbeez bed. Good job singing. Ah! Oh no, what did the doctor dinosaur just do? Ah, where'd my head go? Ah! Oh no, Paw Patrol, hurry, let's get you out of bed. Look what happened to our Paw Patrol. They all lost their heads. Silly dinosaur. Now we gotta make sure we put them on the right bodies. Let's start with this head. Do you remember whose head this is? It's Sky's head. She's wearing a pink hat. Can you tell me which body is Sky's? Is it this one? No. How about this one? No. It's this one. This is Sky's body because it's pink. Boop. There we go. We put Sky's head on her right body. Let's keep looking. How about this head? Can you tell me whose head this is? It's Everest's head. She's wearing a turquoise hat. Is this her body? No. How about this one? Nuh-uh. This one? Nope. What about that one? Yes! This one's Everest's body. It's turquoise. Boop. There! We got Everest right in her right body. Good job, Everest and Sky. You guys are good. All right, let's do our next head. Can you tell me whose head this is? It's Marshall's head. Marshall wears red and he has a red hat on. Can you tell me which body belongs to Marshall's? Is it this one? No. How about this one? Nope. This one? Yes, this one's Marshall's body. It has a red body. Look, we got Marshall on the right head. There we go. Now we only have 2 Paw Patrol left. Let's look at this head first. Can you tell me whose head this is? He has a blue hat on. It's Chase. It's Chase's hat. Can you tell me which body goes to Chase's head? Is it this one? Nope. How about this one? Yes, that one's Chase's body. It's blue. There we go. We got Chase's head put on his right body. There we go. We have 1 head left. It's Zuma's head. He's wearing orange. And look, this is the last body, and he's wearing orange too. Boop. There we go. We got Zuma all good too. All right, say bye to all of our little puppies. Who's this one? Aw, look. Hi guys, look what Paw Patrol brought us. Oh my goodness, look at all these Lego minifigures they brought. Oh my goodness, we need to open all of them up. Okay, let's get started. Let's start with this one. Oh my goodness. Look at all of these characters you can get. And look who this one is. Oh no way. Look. It's Daffy Duck. Let's put her together. Boop. Oh, we forgot her little duck tail. Gotta put her little duck tail on. And her little cute little head. And a little bow. Look how cute she is. Look, it matches. Oh yes, look how cute she is. I'm so happy we got her. Let's get her to stand up. Good, look, we have this little stand for her actually. There, perfect. Okay, let's keep this out and open up our next bag. Let's see this one, look how many there are. They're all Disney ones. Let's open this bag up. Doesn't want to open. Here we go. There. Boop. Okay. Oh no way. This has to be Buzz Lightyear. Oh my goodness. Let's put them together. Okay. Let's see. Put this over. That. Yes. Let's see. There we go. Is this his head? Yes, that's his head. Okay. And how about this part? Put it like that. Yes, I think that's right. There, okay. And then we need to put on his wings. No way. Oh my goodness, he's so cool. Look how cool he is. Look how cool. Okay, let's put him on his stand. Oh my goodness, I like him a lot. Boop. He looks awesome. Okay. Next one. Oh my goodness, these are so cool, you guys. Oh, perfect. Look who we got. We got Donald Duck. Because look, that's just perfect. Look how cute these guys are. Look, he has his cute little ducky tail. And this is his shirt. And look, oh look, he's actually happy. And look, this is his cute little hat. Oh my goodness. Oh, let's put that on a little slant. Look, now we have Donald too. We need to stand him up by Daffy. There, look how cute they are together. Okay, let's do our next one. Boop. Okay. Who's this one? Aw, look. It's gonna be Minnie. Yes. You know what? We should mark off all the ones we get on here. Here's a marker. And let's see. We've gotten Buzz Lightyear, Daffy, and Donald. And we just got Minnie. There. Okay, let's put Minnie together. Oh, look at her cute little skirt. Oh my goodness. Oh, I have to move her hands up. Put on her head. And look, she has the cutest polka dot bow. Oh my goodness, look how cute. She's adorable. Oh, let's set her right there. Okay, let's open up our next one. Oh my gosh, perfect. We just got Mickey. That's perfect, we got Mickey. Oh my goodness. Look, we got Mickey, and he's gonna go with Minnie. Aww. Okay, we gotta mark that one off. Perfect. Look how cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's open up our next one. Ooh, who's that? Oh no. Oh, she looks bad. Oh, and look, she even has her giant. Oop. Oh my goodness, she's from The Little Mermaid. Oh, look, you can put her on here too. Ooh, look how mean she looks. It's Ursula. Oh, we don't like Ursula, do we? Look, she even has the trident. Oh no. Oh, and look, she even has the conch that's holding Ariel's voice. No. Okay, we have one more. Let's open it up. Boop. Oh yes, look, we also got the Little Mermaid. Look, we gotta mark these off. Ursula and the Little Mermaid. Okay, let's put her together. Oh, is that the right way? Yeah. Oh, and here's her pretty head and her pretty red hair. Aww. So we set her right there, and look, she also comes with this pretty seashell clam with the jewel in it. Pretty. Put it right there. Look at all the people we got now. Okay, now I want to try something funny. Let's grab these 4 people and... Okay, let's put Minnie's head on Donald's body with Donald's hat. Oh man, the ears are in the way. We'll have to do someone else's hat. There's Minnie. Okay, who are we gonna put a Daffy? How about Mickey? And look, we can put on the bow. Oh no, Mickey. Okay, then let's put Donald with Daffy's hat. Oh no, this is Minnie's hat. Minnie's bow. Oh, look, that's funny. And look, she can wear Donald's hat right here. Oh my goodness, look how funny they look. That doesn't look quite right, I don't think. Okay. What if we took off her head too? Can we switch this head? Oh no, that doesn't look right. Her head's too small. No, I don't think that's right. Look at all their wrong heads. Oh, look. Ariel's head's gonna go on here. Okay. And then look, we can put Buzz's head on Ariel. And with hair. Nope, that doesn't look right at all. Oh my goodness, that was fun. Thanks so much, Paw Patrol. Alright, say bye to Paw Patrol and all of our messed up, funny heads. Bye.
Bye-bye.